Hey folks, how you all doing? Today I'll show some of the ways I make money passively. Passive income is a great way to make money. It's the type of income that you earn without having to trade your time for it. There are many different ways to make passive income, and in this video, I'll share some of my favorites with you. One way to make passive income is selling cash secured put on stocks you love is one of my favorite methods of making money passively. This does require you to put some money as collateral, but the returns could be as high as 100% per year. I myself try to be a little conservative with selling cash secured puts. But a return of over 50% every year is very feasible. With 50% return on investment every year, you can turn an investment of $10,000 to $600,000 in 10 years. I will make a complete video on how to sell a cash secured put in the near future, so don't forget to subscribe. The second idea that favors me is creating a YouTube channel. With more than 1 billion users, YouTube is a great platform to share your talents and make some money. Starting a YouTube channel can be a fun, creative way to share your knowledge with the world. A few tips to help you get started on the right foot. Choose a topic you're passionate about. Whether you're an expert in a certain topic or just have some great tips to share, people will be more likely to watch your videos if you're excited about what you're talking about. Keep your videos short and sweet. Viewers don't want to watch hour-long tutorials, so try to keep your videos around 5 to 10 minutes long. Use high-quality equipment. If you want your videos to look professional, it's important to use good quality equipment. This doesn't mean you need to break the bank. There are plenty of affordable options out there. If you're looking to start a career on YouTube, it's important to understand how much money YouTubers actually make. Depending on the number of subscribers and views an account has, YouTubers can make anywhere from $2 to $10 per thousand views. In order to make money on YouTube, you need to have a Google AdSense account. Once your account is approved, you simply add code to your videos that will allow ads to play. YouTube then shares the advertising revenue with content creators based on the number of clicks or impressions each video gets. Keep in mind that it can take time to build up a following and generate consistent traffic. But if you have valuable content and are willing to put in the hard work, making money on YouTube is definitely possible. There are many different types of content that can be found on YouTube. However, the type of content that tends to get the most views is content that is based on someone's occupation or side hustle. This is because people are interested in learning more about what other people do for a living and how they make money outside of their regular job. Additionally, people are also interested in learning new skills and knowledge that can help them in their own lives. There are many different types of content that can be uploaded to YouTube, but some are more popular than others. YouTubers can make money in a variety of ways, including through advertisements, sponsorships, and product sales. Many YouTubers start by making videos as a hobby. All the great channels like Dude Perfect, Casey Neistat, a daily vlogger, were some dudes having a hobby until they started making money out of it and that then became their full-time jobs. Imagine actually making tons of money just from a hobby. Now, in order to make money from your videos, you need to build up a following of people who are interested in what you have to say. Once your following is large enough, you can begin to monetize your channel through advertisements or sponsorships. You can also make money from your YouTube videos by selling products or services. For example, you could create a video course on how to use a particular software program or how to knit a scarf. Mining cryptocurrencies is my last passive income one I've used. I have personally made a few $100s mining cryptocurrencies on my personal computer. Although it was $3 to $4 a day worth of cryptocurrency that my PC was able to mine a day. But this method is completely passive. Once you buy a computer with a decent graphics card and CPU, you can generate this kind of money on a daily basis, resulting in an extra $100 a month. On the other hand, if you want to mine cryptocurrency on Antminer or any other commercially designed miner, the profits can be off the roof. Given the fluctuation of cryptocurrency prices, you can cash out a portion of the currency you have mined to cover the cost while making decent passive income. As cryptocurrencies continue to grow in popularity, mining has become a more and more common way to earn money. However, for those looking to maximize their profits, it's important to have the right knowledge. We will go over some tips on how to get the most out of your mining endeavors. One of the most important things to keep in mind when mining is the cost of your hardware and electricity. Make sure that you are able to cover these costs before you begin mining, as it can be a costly endeavor. In addition, it's important to find a coin that is profitable to mine. You can do this by using a profitability calculator or checking out CoinMarketCap's list of the top 100 coins. You also need to be aware of the current market conditions and adjust your strategy accordingly. Mining during a bull market can be very profitable, while mining during a bear market can be quite unprofitable. Finally, it's important to be patient and stay focused on your goals. There are many ways to invest your money, and the most important thing is to find strategies that fit your risk tolerance and time horizon. For example, you might want to put some money into stocks, which can offer the potential for higher returns but also come with more risk, or into bonds, which are less volatile but offer lower returns. You could also consider investing in real estate or venture capital opportunities. No matter what you choose, the key is to keep adding new investments as you save and grow your wealth. By building a diversified portfolio now, you'll be on track for a more secure financial future. Let's wrap up today's video. I wish you all good luck for the next big idea you get. Do stick around if you want to learn more about finance management and ideas that will get you started in exploring new sources of income. You'll find plenty of content about achieving financial independence here on this channel. Until then, subscribe, like, and share. Bye for now till next time.